Hello everyone! Welcome to Easy Drawing and Painting channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow cupcake. Let's start drawing.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
I draw the wavy lines here.
The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish.
Please subscribe the channel.
Through the town. The wheels on the bus.
This is the top of the cupcake. Let's draw two cute eyes for cupcake. The eyelashes. And smiling mouth. Amazing! Now, let's start coloring. Pink color, purple color,